Guys, can you avoid copyright claims and copyright strikes by just giving credits in the description? To find out, watch this video carefully till the end. Guys, you might have seen some people putting credits in the description, and some YouTubers putting, according to 1969 copyright law, it is used for criticism, fair use, this blah 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 blah. Guys, does all this really work? The answer is yes, and the answer is no. So, I'm gonna explain you clearly, so watch this video carefully. And guys, by the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. And guys, if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, Instagram account, and if you're looking to make money by doing cryptocurrencies, then you're on the right place, so consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Case number 1. Guys, in case if you're using Creative Commons videos, then it's okay if you give credits in the description, and it's also okay even if you don't give credits in the description. If you don't give credit for Creative Commons videos, then no one's gonna give you copyright strikes, so don't worry. Guys, as a content creator on YouTube, if you're using other YouTubers Creative Commons videos, then it's a fair thing if you give credits. Case number 2. In case if you're using no copyright sounds or no copyright music in your videos, then even if you give or don't give credits in the description, it doesn't matter. Guys, the NCS channels, YouTube channels, or no copyright sound channels on YouTube, they be like compulsorily you should add credits in the description, blah 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 blah. Guys, even if you don't give credits, it's okay. Guys, don't take no copyright sounds from channels which has like 1000 or 2000 subscribers. They'll definitely give you a copyright strike. Take this no copyright sounds from bigger channels which have like 5 million, 10 million subscribers. Case number 3. Guys, if you're using copyrighted Bollywood music or copyrighted Hollywood music, etc., etc., no matter how much credits you give, you will still get a copyright claim. Case number 4. Guys, in case if you're using or already uploaded copyrighted music videos and copyrighted movie clips, and no matter how much credits you give in the description, you will definitely get a copyright strike and your channel will get terminated. Guys, for copyrighted content, giving credits will never work. Guys, for example, if you're using a movie clip or any other copyrighted content in your videos, if the original owner finds out, then definitely, no matter how big credit system or credit typings you give in the description, he'll still give you a copyright strike. Case number 5. Guys, on YouTube, there's two type of content: copyrighted content and normal content. My videos falls under normal content. It's not copyrighted. Now, for example, T-series videos are copyrighted, so you can't even use 2 or 3 seconds of the video clips. Guys, since my videos are normal videos, you can download my videos and you can use my clips here and there. This falls under fair use. But for this, you'll have to give credit. Guys, in case if you're using my video, then it's up to me whether I should give you copyright strike or not. YouTube has nothing to do with this. So in case if you're using some other YouTubers video clips in your video, then make sure you give credit, because if that person finds out and if he comes to your channel and checks out, he'll be like, okay, this guy's given credit, so it's okay, leave. And if that person is mad, then he'll be like, this guy has used my video clips and is not given the credits, so let me give a copyright strike. So don't do that. And guys, one more thing, if you want to use my videos, then you can use. I'm not gonna give copyright strikes. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel, I make all YouTube growth related videos, Instagram and cryptocurrency related videos. So if you're a YouTuber, Instagrammer, and if you want to make money by doing cryptocurrencies, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.